Genius, genius, genius.
Hello friends, how are you doing? Would be doing great with the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your IELTS and spoken English trainer and student visa consultant. I've been training the students and professionals at the platform of Genius Institute Lahore for the last 21 years. My dear friends, today this video is being recorded in particular for the students who are free after their examinations of matriculation, intermediate and graduation respectively. Dear friends, I know it was a very tiring process in which you have been through the preparation and the examination. And now, thank God, it's all over. Now get ready for your spoken English courses and IELTS classes. IELTS classes for the students who are moving abroad for further higher education, and spoken English courses for everybody, which will help you out academically and professionally. In spoken English courses, you will be given confidence, fluency, pronunciation, and accent, and you will be taught grammar and vocabulary along with its usage, and you will be trained in conversational practice and presentation skills. So dear friends, this is the high time to join the Genius Institute Lahore for your career success. I'll see you shortly here. Stay blessed and take care of yourself.